Hello, this is TLV back with Modulus. We have a new quest. Build this, and it creates blue cores. I'm thinking if we make some generic. We kind of know what we want to do, right? So we need, for example, a cutter. Cut the blocks into half. We need an assembler. Assembly is 30 operations per second. Cutter is 30 operations per second. So maybe we should do something like this. And then this is 120, 36, 3060. So we should probably copy. Something like this, right? And after that we should get 2 halves. And they should be assembled. 30 operations from one exit. Something like this, right? Shouldn't this work? And then 4 furnaces. Yeah, production here is pretty bad as well. Increase the production there a little bit. Okay, furnace. Oh, we have room here actually. Okay, let's see. So we have this set up and we need, so that's one belt of 120. How much is one of these then? Furnace is 30, extractor is 30, maximum 30. But is all of these equal then? So then we can know exactly how many we need. Okay, we need exactly 4 then. No, 30, 60. We need 8. Okay, let's do that then. Okay. And furnace here. Right, so that should be 3060. Something like that, right? That should be. And that's gonna fill up these. And here we have a complete setup, right? Oh wait, what kind of this was for the. Oh, we should paint them first. Paint. The painter. So that's okay. Now we do. But the painter is 30 operations per second. That's pretty bad. But now we can move all of this. I mean, you can have cranes. We can have more in one building. As long as we have this, we can always copy. The whole key is to make it generic. But we need 4 painters. And how can we make that efficiently? Something like this, right? And then back here again, right? Or further like this. 3. No, we're not gonna have enough paint for this. At least we're gonna have set up kind of ready. Right. No? Okay. That's just about will do it. Wait, we need to split these, right? Split. Ah, that sucks. So this setup is not optimal here. What about 2 by 2. Something like this. Two exits. And then splitter here and here. And here and here. Wait, no. Did I misjudge this? Here and here. Ooh, that one hits that one. Okay, this works though. So that gives us 2 paint. Up there. And this gives us 4 painted. Okay. You need to split this. Paint. So we need okay, all good. And this one also need to split. Something like this. Where's the input? Oh, there's the input. Here maybe? Right. And like that, right? This should make us blue cubes. One conveyor belt's full of that. Okay, it's better now when you do calculations. And this is just cut it in half, right? Wait, cut it in half and then assemble it. No, that's not what we need. We need cut it in half. Oh yeah, cut it in half like this, 4 pieces. Suddenly that should mean that these will input. We have 30 input, but we have 60 outputs. That's pretty good actually. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Weird that it didn't. That was a bug. That must have been a bug, right? It didn't copy all of them. Weird. Weird. What? They're just disappearing. Did I find some kind of glitch here? Why is everything just disappearing? This is 30. $60, $30, $60, $90, $120. This is not 120, it's not a full conveyor belt. They're lying. It's hard to know how... I mean, calculations here are really bad, you don't know. Why is this glitched? I have no idea what's going on here. They're just disappearing. I can rotate, scroll. I don't get it. Why am I not getting any... What's happening to our blocks? And why are we getting so few? Something is very fishy here. Splitter. But it also deleted all my items for some reason. That's kind of weird. Oops. Can we do it like this then? What is it? Z? Did it delete everything inside it as well? Still don't understand why there are no hotkeys in the machine. Something like this, right? Isn't that one of the building blocks? Oh, it's white. Okay, that's funny. That's actually quite funny. So these blocks, we are gonna instead we can make this is gonna make the that one is done. We do a cutter, 4 cutters again, right? So that's standard. Wait, cut into half. Then that's gonna be half, and then we do a cut again. And 2 of these, then we're gonna get all of this. Assemble, we need 2 long and 2 short, so quite easy here as well. This is going to be assembled to the long one. This is going to be assembled to I can't assemble. I have to assemble this in stages here, and this is interesting. I should remake all of this as well. I already dislike it. This should have. I need to assemble 1 short and 1 long edge together. That's the annoying part. But disassembling is correct. So it's gonna be something like this. Wait, it's actually gonna be something like this. And then like you, something like this. Why do I need extra? One short side and one long side here. No, these are gonna make the long sides. The longs are coming out here. One long and one short. One long and one short. Actually, no, wait a second. And then split into another assembler. Okay, there we got that piece. Continue. And here I wanna do these parts, right? And here we wanna oh, why is it glitching? Wait, was it I need my pins. Oh, how do I get my pins back? Oh, my pins. Stamper. What is this? What did I do? Where's the recipe? Here. Pin module. Pin module. Pin module. Okay, there it works. One, two, three, four, five, six. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be like this. Perfect. Wait a second. It's not supposed to be like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. No! Why? I need to cut. Wait, let's just test this. if I can just cut away. It's gonna be 3 parts. Was it 2 in between? Yeah, I just want to cut away the middle. How does that work then? So which part is it keeping? Like, how can I guarantee that? I mean, it is keeping the part we want at the moment. No, it's getting all the pieces out. Yeah, yeah. So how do you do it when you get 3 different pieces out? What I need to do is to cut this one in half. Oh yeah. So we need to cut this one. Maybe something like this. Right. Cut that. There we go. There we go. Yay! What? What? Something fishy is going on. There we go. So that's done. So you have 1 part. And then this one is to take did half of this one, right? So we just need some more cubes for this. How many cubes can we get here now? Okay. It's not that much output. Maybe we can do a tunnel here. So here we want 3216, but for this one, maybe we can borrow the blue cubes here. And make one more setup with this one, which is far more simple That's one cut and one assembly. Something like this, right? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not. I got tricked. I got scammed. In the beginning we don't have much options. So we can make it into we could cut that into cubes. And then we need to assemble it, right? We can only do 30 operations here anyway. We're increasing here to 60. So we should take that into consideration. So that's doubling in the output. Oops. Oops, wrong button. Alright. And here, this is doubling the output as well. So this setup works here. Maybe we're happy with that. So what we'll do is we'll move this one. Okay. That's one of the products ready. And then we have another product, and this product line should be something like this, right? That's into cubes. No, actually, no. We do one. We cut these and then we just assemble it. They need to be on one line and get assembled. Can we make this in a nicer way? More compact? I mean, if you... It was 6, right? I didn't miscount, no. We're good here, right? And here's the question: if we want to expand upon this, because then I need to copy that part. I wish I could make it longer instead. Yeah. This is not worth it. That's better. How do I clean it? Alright, nothing's coming at the moment. But that's way better. Then we can have a 2 at least. And where do we do that? Oh, we should have made this more compact. I want to destroy all of it. I'm not sure how long the demo is though. We'll see. So for now, what we'll do is send them over. There we go. Now they're done, right? I can just copy this one. Then we should have another setup. And this should be put together with the white one that we're gonna borrow from this one. We just needed white cubes, and that should make that one. I hope. And this should be cut again, right? Oh, wait. What did I think with this recipe? Oh yeah, we can put it together and then cut it. This actually works. Put it together. Cut it. And then reassemble it. And cut that into 2 pieces. It's 4, right? Assemble that together with this one. Come on. There we go. Then we have 1, 2, and then we need the white. And we can borrow this. And just assemble. Why does it say red, but it's I think that's still also a glitched. I mean, I don't think you should build on these bridges, because this is where you head over material. But since this is a demo, I'm not gonna care. Okay, those are all the materials. Can send them over here maybe. Why is it red now? I really don't understand. Add crane. Probably ought to upgrade that. Oh, our output is, that should be 3060. That's split. What? Should be the same output as input here. Even though it doesn't look like it. No, every part, okay, it's building, it's construction. Then we need the, what was it? Oh, this one. I'm in the red. Or maybe it looked red all the time. Maybe I'm just blind or something. The output of this factory is pretty poor. End of demo, okay. Alright, we were done. That's kind of what I expected. Elaborate tech tree. Whoa. It looks crazy. Monuments. A bigger map. I wonder if they're gonna have logic gates or programmable logic gates here. Maybe, maybe not. This is, I really like it, since I liked shapes, and I think at the end of Shapes 1 I made a machine that can make any type of shape. So if you want to check out my the Shapes game, and yeah, you can, if you don't care about the series, you can check the last episode where I build or start up the machine that builds all types of shapes automatically. You don't have to do anything. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, of course, if we would continue to play, I would disassemble all of this. But since there are no logic gates, it would still have to be these kind of machines. I wouldn't see, pull the conveyor belts back and forth, see if could it be even more compact. Maybe, maybe not. But now I could just, if I want to, right? Copy this one. Place one more here. And then do something like that. Yeah, and then you just increase production capacity. Yeah, now it's pumping out, and even do one more, etc. Okay, very nice indeed. End of the demo. Blue course. Oh, it's still upgrading. Let's wait until the upgrade. But I guess there's nothing left of the demo here. Yeah, Microtopia has really need the copy function to make that game more fun and enjoyable. Yeah, it's so much more grindy to get the materials in Microtopia, but I mean, if you can just copy the placement or recipe of buildings, then you can at least prepare for how you want your base to look like. It's a pretty tall building. I hope this is an optimized game. The most optimized, like Unity, or I don't know if this is Unreal Engine or Unity game, factory game we have played is for sure Dyson Sphere Program. I'm just scared to start playing Factorial, but it will happen soon. It's gonna be a time sink for sure. Are you done? What's this symbol? Oops, on off. What's this? Why is there an infinite symbol here? Done. Let's see what you can do. Yay, we're gonna get our blue course. So he delivers 4. Okay. Very nice. Yay, we got it. Perfect. See you guys in the next game. Bye bye.